Sometimes boundaries are unclear until we define it. For example, if we examine the image below, we don't fully know what the boundary of the system entails. It could be a dyad of some sort, such as a married couple. It could also be two work colleagues discussing a project as part of a larger system, that is, the department they both work for. We need more information in order to correctly define the boundary of the system of these two to see what they are a part of. We have to delineate the boundary of the system in order to study it. For example, if we are studying interpersonal communication, then we need to determine the relational boundary, that is, dating dyads, marital partners, or superior subordinate, for example, of the interpersonal conversation. Further, we need to describe the context the system is interacting within to understand how environmental factors influence the system dynamics. Let's apply these principles using a real system by watching a video clip. After the clip ends, then there's going to be some questions that follow.
My name is Andy Sachs. I recently graduated from Northwestern University.
And what are you doing here?
Well, I think I could do a good job as your assistant. And, yeah, I came to New York to be a journalist and sent letters out everywhere and then finally got a call from Elias Clark and met with Sherry up at Human Resources. And basically it's this or Auto Universe.
So you don't read Runway?
No?
And before today, you had never heard of me?
No.
And you have no style or sense of fashion?
Well, I think that depends on what you're...
No. That wasn't a question.
I was editor-in-chief of the Daily Northwestern. I also won a national competition for college journalists with my series on the Janitors Union, which exposed the
That's all.
exploitation of...